Question number 15. We have a table with the heading mean ratings for patients after 21 days. And the measure is global improvement, symptom severity reduction, quality of life improvement. And there are two ratings. One is the mean rating for participants aware of taking a placebo, mean rating for participants in the control group. So there are different ratings, and you can clearly see that mean rating for participants aware of taking a placebo, they are all higher in value compared to mean rating for participants in the control group. That is, they do not know that they are taking a placebo. So let's see what's the question. To test whether a medication is effective, scientists compare outcomes for patients taking it and patients taking a placebo. And the meaning of placebo has been mentioned here. A medically inactive substance. Patients normally aren't told they are receiving a placebo, but a research team conducted a study to see if there might be a medical benefit to telling them. The team used various measures to evaluate participants with higher ratings indicating greater well-being in each measure. Compared to the mean ratings after 21 days for participants in the control group, the mean ratings for participants who were aware of taking a placebo blank. Which choice most effectively uses data from the table to complete the statement? A. Range from 5.0 to 92.0, indicating that well-being varied widely from participant to participant. B. Were lower for two measures with the rating for only one measure indicating greater well-being for these participants. C. Range from 3.9 to 46.00 with no rating indicating greater well-being in any measure for these participants. Or D. Were higher for all three measures indicating greater overall well-being for these participants. Patients normally they aren't told that they are receiving a placebo, that is a medically inactive substance which cannot actually cure them. So they are not told, but they are doing a study over here. Now what they are testing whether a medication is effective. So some scientists, they are comparing outcomes for patients taking it and patients taking a placebo. And they are checking if there might be a medical benefit to telling them. So if the patients are already told that they are taking a placebo, not a real medicine, what will be the outcome? So which should we choose? What should we fill the blank with? Compared to the mean ratings after 21 days for participants in the control group, the mean ratings for participants who are aware of taking a placebo. So if you say D, well done, that is the right answer. Choice D is the best answer because it most effectively uses data from the table to complete the statement comparing the mean ratings for two different groups of participants in a study. The text explains that a research team evaluated the study's participants using various methods in order to learn whether there might be a medical benefit to telling patients they are receiving a placebo. The table shows the team's mean ratings for the participants after 21 days for three of the measures, that is global improvement, symptom severity reduction and quality of life improvement. So according to the table, the mean ratings were higher for all three measures for participants aware of taking all the three ratings. According to the table, the mean ratings were higher for all three measures for the participants aware of taking a placebo than for participants in the control group. The control group did not know basically that they are taking a placebo, so their ratings were lower. So given that higher ratings indicate greater well-being, as the text states, the mean ratings in the table indicate greater overall well-being for participants aware of taking a placebo than for participants in the control group. So whichever participants were aware of taking the placebo, they had a greater improvement. A is incorrect because the table doesn't include data about individual participants. We don't have data regarding that. It presents means or mathematical averages of ratings. For this reason, no conclusion can be drawn from data in the table about the extent to which well-being may have varied from participant to participant. Choice B is incorrect because according to the table, the mean ratings for participants aware of taking a placebo were higher for all three measures than for participants in the control group, not lower for the two of the measures. So were lower for two measures? No, all the three were higher for the participants who knew or they were aware of taking a placebo. And C is incorrect because it cites data from the table related to participants in the control group, not to participants aware of taking a placebo. No rating indicating greater well-being in any measure. So additionally, the mean ratings in the table for the participants aware of taking a placebo are higher for all three measures than for participants in the control group. So given that higher ratings indicate greater well-being as the text states, the ratings in the table for participants aware of taking a placebo indicate greater well-being for these participants in all three measures. So we can clearly see that D is the best answer. So I hope that's clear.